At this point, you have completed most of the work for the class, but you need to turn in your final assignment. So there's two parts to this. One is you're going to turn in the results from the class, or at least 3 students or coworkers who participated in your class and took the video lesson. And so to do that, I'm going to click on my class. So I have one here, my Edpuzzle Tech Camp class, and I'm going to select one of my lessons here, and I'm just going to click on Progress. And so when I click on Progress, I can see I've got all my different students here and their grades. I went through and I've done my grading already. So at this point, I want to export it. If I still needed to grade or wanted to, I can click on Grade here. But I'm going to click on Export, and I'm just going to export a Microsoft Excel, and it's going to save it to my desktop. That's fine. I just need to know the name of it for submitting it in just a minute. So I'm going to click on Save, and it's going to download. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to share a copy of the video lesson that I created. So I'm going to go to My Content, and in here I'm going to find the lesson. It was this one here. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click Assign Share. Okay? And at this point, I don't want to assign it to a class. I want to share it with anyone. What this allows us to do is you can share the video. You're going to share it with me. This way I can watch it without having to join all the different classes. So I'm going to click on Share with Anyone, and I'm going to get this link right here. So I am just going to select this, and I'm going to copy it using Control-C. And now I'm ready to turn in my assignment. So I'm going to go to the Google Classroom. In this case, Sarah Spold is helping me out. I'm going to go to my final assignment here. I'm just going to click on Open, and I'm going to add. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my link. So I copied it, and I can paste it here. And I can click Add Link. Now, for some reason, if it didn't paste right, I could always come back here, and I could copy it again, and then select it and paste it. So I'm going to add that. The next step is, once it finishes that, I'm going to add my spreadsheet. So this time I'll choose File, and I'm going to go select Files from your computer. I know that mine's on my desktop, and I'm looking for the Edpuzzle Tech Camp. So I'm going to select that, click Open, and then I'm just going to click on Upload. Okay, I'll watch it. It should upload here quickly, hopefully. There we go. Now I should have both assignments there. And there we go. Took just a second. Now I'm just going to click on Turn In. And I'm going to click Turn In one more time. And that should complete your task for this class. So I'll take a look at them, get them graded, and let you know how you did. Thank you very much.